new month, new things that are going to come our way, Lord. But you are in charge. You allow things to happen. What can and what cannot happen. All in your power, Lord. So by your grace, give us the power to carry on through this month and do what we need to do and go further in life, the way you want us Christians to go further in life and to get stronger. Lord, guide us and lead us through this coming month and give us our daily bread. And the people that are not employed, Lord, give them employment, a way of living, and show us how to do it. In this world we live in, Lord, so dear Makar, so upsetting for some people, but guide us and lead us, because we know you are in charge. Lord, in Jesus' lovely name, amen.